Hello and welcome to the next video. Here we will learn how to move a sprite using the mouse. Of course, there will be time, suppose you want to build a game which is having a paddle or a bat and a ball. So the ball is moving and you will be hitting the ball with the paddle. Now, how do we hit the ball? Of course, how do we move the paddle? We will be able to move the paddle either by arrow keys on keyboard and or by moving the mouse. So today in this video we will be learning how to move it with the mouse, and later in the upcoming videos we will learn how to move it using the arrow keys also. So let us start it. So here to move it with the mouse we have the again it's about the two sides movement. One is the X, one is the Y. So for X movement, that is the X movement is the left right movement. For that what we will do inside the draw. So this is the first time we are writing things inside the draw. So what we will do, we will suppose we want to move it towards left right. So we will be setting the balls X with mouse X. Mouse X is a variable which basically stores the mouse's coordinates whenever it is moving towards left and right. So suppose right now the mouse is standing at 100. So mouse X's value is 100. Again if I move here, the mouse X's value is now 330 or 329. So what I need to do to make it follow my ball, I want to make it move towards left and right. For that we need to set balls X to the mouse X, which I find inside world. Under the world we have here, if you see mouse X, that is World.mouseX. Of course it will, when you drop it, it will go to the next line. Don't worry, just use backspace, move it up. 1 second. Yes, now let us see if it is moving. See, do you see? It is moving towards left and right direction, not moving up and down. It's not following up and down. It's only following the left and right because I have set the balls X to the mouse X. The same way, if I want to set the balls Y to the mouse Y, what we need to write? It's better to write. So let us remember ball.y equal to, when Y is alone we write it in small letters. Ball.y equal to world dot mouse Y, because I want to move it with the Y, and let us see. Do you see? Ball is simply moving straight up and down with the following the mouse with the Y. Now what if I give both of them? Let us give ball dot X, let us set balls X to the world's mouse X and balls Y mouse Y, and guess what will happen? You guessed it right, it will completely follow the mouse. It can go anywhere, it can go left right, it can go up down following the mouse. So that is simple enough to do. You just need to remember we need to do it inside draw, and the syntax is setting the, if you want to remember it letter by letter it might be difficult, but conceptually what we say, the sentence will be like set the balls X to the world's mouse X. If you write it this way you will be able to grab it faster. So balls set, while we say set, that means equal to, balls means ball.x equal to world's mouse X. So if you see, if I have converted this line into this, so then balls X is ball.x, set to denotes equal to, and world's mouse X denotes World.mouseX. It's simple enough if you look at it this way. Okay, so the questioning time, if you just try to remember, the question 1 is what is the ball's coordinate we set and to which property under world. And it's very simple. What will happen when I set the x coordinate of the ball, and what we set with the x coordinate, mouse's x or y, and the same for y. What will happen if I give only the x coordinate, if I set only the x coordinate with mouse x, and what will happen if I set y coordinate only with mouse y, and what will happen when we set both of them. So one by one you try to remember. And the final question is, of course, where do we write it? Whether we write it inside draw or outside draw. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.